When the hurricane tore through my town and left my house in ruins, I stood amidst the wreckage, feeling utterly alone. But then, something incredible happened. Neighbors I barely knew showed up with tools, food, and open hearts. They didn't just help me rebuild walls, they rebuilt my spirit. Every nail hammered and meal shared reminded me of the resilience we all carry within. In the face of disaster, I discovered that true wealth isn't measured by what we own, but by the love and support of those around us. This community didn't just give me a house, they gave me a new home, proving that even the deepest scars can heal when we come together.